Hi, this is Veena again. It's Sunday morning, a nice bright day, and I thought I should make for you the lovely Sindhi Kadhi. I'm making curry today for about 6 people, and so I'm going to share with you the proportions of all the ingredients. I'll be using about 8 spoons of this size of besan or gram flour, 1 brinjal, about 200 grams of pumpkin which has been cut into pieces, 2 drumsticks which have been cut into pieces, 8 to 10 bhindi or ladyfingers, 2 carrots cut into rounds like this, 10 to 15 French beans slit into 2, 15 to 20 gawar beans, 2 potatoes which will be cut into square. We need methi seeds, jeera seeds, tamarind water, red chili powder, haldi powder, a little jaggery and salt to taste, and of course oil to cook the curry. We'll also need finely chopped ginger, green chilies and kadhi patta for the tadka, and few coriander leaves finely chopped for a garnish, and water to cook the curry. I'm going to make curry in this thick handi because it's going to cook on slow flame for a long time, so it needs a thick bottom. So if you don't have a similar handi, you could either use your thick bottomed cooker or any copper bottomed or steel bottomed pan that is available. I'm now going to put 8 spoons of oil. The oil is now hot, so I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of methi seeds and 2 teaspoons of jeera or cumin seed. I'm going to add the finely chopped ginger, the green chilies and the curry leaves. All of this makes a very spicy and nice tadka. I'm going to add the besan or the gram flour. So I'll be putting in 8 spoons. And now I'm going to slowly bhuno or fry this on low flame for a long time, so that all the spices get nicely blended with the besan. While the besan is slowly getting bhun out, I'm going to heat some water for adding to the besan once it's done. So on the other flame, I'm going to put in a lot of water for boiling. And simultaneously, we are cooking this slowly. So as you will see, the besan has now turned a light golden brown, and it's become softer as well. To get this right consistency and color of the besan, it will take you 15 to 20 minutes from the moment you put the besan into the oil. Besan is now nicely bhun out into a rich golden brown color, and I'm ready to add the boiling water to it. Now added the water, and just to make sure that there are no lumps in the besan, I am going to blend it with this hand blender. If you don't have a wooden hand blender like the one I am using, you can use an egg beater at home. I blend this whole mixture for just about a minute or 2. I will now add half a teaspoon of red chili powder and about quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, and I'm going to just mix this all and let it cook on slow flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep stirring the curry from time to time so that the besan does not stick to the bottom. Now that the besan is well cooked and it's a nice rich color, I'm slowly going to put in all the vegetables one by one. The And I'm now going to add salt. Our vegetables are now almost cooked, and I've reached the last stage of making our curry, which is adding the tamarind water. So I'm going to squeeze it out like this. The last ingredients to be added is one small piece of jaggery and a few coriander leaves to give it an additional flavor. We are now going to cover the handi with a lid and allow the curry to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then it will be ready. Now we are going to check if our vegetables are all well cooked so that we can turn off the flame, and this is how we are going to check. I'm going to pierce a knife through each vegetable. The potato is done, brinjals are done, carrots are done. So I'm going to turn off the flame. The interesting thing about Sindhi curry is that it tastes even better after it's kept for a while. So you might like to keep it for a few minutes closed and then serve it.
We've got loads more for you, so subscribe to this channel and ping us at food@pingnetwork.in to tell us what you would like to see here.